Can I be your superhero?
Alright guys, after 3 weeks of pretty terrible weather, we finally got a good gap and we are heading out tonight. We are planning to stay overnight on the reef and we're launching from Lucinda, so we're pretty keen. I've actually got a test right now, so I'm just waiting for that to upload, and then as soon as I finish that test, well, we're gonna head straight out and hopefully we're gonna have a great time, so keen as for that. I'm gonna do the test now and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I'm done with that. All right, we've just finished the test. We are gonna head out right now and let's start the music. This one is on. Have a look at the sounder. Wait, show them the sounder. The sounder is looking insane right here. Give us a look. Jig. Like an absolute idiot. Alright, well, first fish got shocked. That's unfortunate, but keep going. At least we got something big, so looking good. Have a look at that, guys. Got shocked. That's unfortunate. Alright, Ethan's onto a fish right now. It's looking pretty big. What do you reckon it is?
A mackie of some sort. Pelagic.
All right, second fish of the day. Let's hope we don't get sharked. Come on, we're keen. Big man.
Here he goes again.
Oh, don't let it get
big ass.
big fish. All right, we can see color. It looks bloody big. Oh, have a look at that.
A shark.
Big trevally, giant trevally.
Oh, damn. Have a look at that.
Holy, is that bigger than my one?
Record me grabbing it.
Little one.
Huh?
Have a look at that. Fuck, that's a monster.
That's a big GC.
Hold it again.
Have a look at this thing. We are absolutely on today. It is honestly pretty good. I hate trying to say shit. I don't even know what to say. Alright, what are we doing now?
Alright, well...
Is your GoPro already in there?
Yeah,
Oh,
ready to go.
Alright, Rom, you grab the fish, take a photo. Do you want it just on the GoPro, Rom?
Nah, just on your iPhone or something.
Alright, there's an absolute ton of birds smashing some bait right now. Have a look at that. Not sure if you guys can see, that's fair away. That's big. Oh damn, look at that on the sounder. Oh shit, I just went back. Get down on that. Yeah, get down. Get down, get down.
It's a mermaid. It's a mermaid.
Alright, well, the sun's setting now, first day's over. Wasn't as good as we could have hoped, but obviously it was still great. I mean, we got some coral trout and that massive trevally early on. The viz, I wish the viz was a bit better, but I mean, you get what you're given. And I mean, that is the best thing ever. It's honestly just beautiful right now. Water's blue. It's just good. Sunset session and Ethan is on.
He's in the bomb.
Come on, get him out.
Oh, I get him.
Big one, bro.
Got him. Oh no.
He's pulling out.
Must have got sharp.
Alright, we just hooked up. Sunset. Hoping for a nice coral trout. Oh, look at him. Have a look at that, boys. We are on. Oh, we've got color. You want to see what it is?
Not a coral trout.
Oh, he wrapped around mine.
Oh, it's a mackie.
Oh.
Is it a mackie? Oh, it is. It's a mackie. Oh, it's a mackerel. Oh, get a glove on.
Nice. Hold on. Swing him this way. It's shark mackerel. He's got all our lines.
Shark mackerel.
He's gonna break. No, swing him this way.
Yeah, but he's gonna break the line on the. He just broke the line. I knew it. That is bloody beautiful. We are loving it. It is good fun.
Wet dreams.
Alright, night fishing is not doing so good, but we got our first fish. And just a yeah. Ethan's on. Not bad.
Trusty old bull sinker and the pilly.
Alright, well, we're probably gonna release him, and I mean, if we get something else, we'll be happy with that. But otherwise, if we don't get anything, we will see you guys in the morning. We will be on then.